Hello, it's Wednesday the 12th. I'm FxPlew and this is the market brief. So Andrew Bailey's been on. He spoke about the gilts market turmoil that's been caused by Truss and Quarteng and the fear that pension funds may begin a fire sale of UK government assets. As that may drive long-term interest rates far higher, it could also break market confidence in the Treasury. So it was well worth the Bank of England stepping in. However, he confirmed that all this intervention is only to help stabilise the situation, and importantly the market cannot become reliant on such official support. So this additional support must end by Friday this week. As you'd expect, with a bit of central bank action, sterling had a pretty rough day of it all yesterday. We fell to about 109.50 against the dollar, and many expect sterling to drift lower before the mini budget at month end. We open around 110.10 against the dollar. We're about 113.30 against the euro, and euro dollar is around 97.20 on the open this morning. Over in the US, Biden has been on. He spoke of the rough patch expected for the US economy, but he expects any recession to be mild and barely noticeable to most people. He did give a nod of support to Powell and the Fed's battle against inflation, suggesting the tide is beginning to turn. And he expects the Fed to have inflation sufficiently under control so they'll be able to support the economy if needed. Now, I'm sure all that was really intended to soothe any concerned with the economic outlook in the US, but I was left wondering whether the latest inflation data had been shared with POTUS, especially as he suggested that interest rates will remain high for only a relatively short period of time. I suppose he's comparing that to 14 years of near zero interest rates since the credit crunch. But anyway, all that did very little to inspire the dollar index, which remained relatively range bound yesterday. That traded between about 112.40 and about 113.50, as the market is still considering the size of the next Fed rate hike. We'll have the Fed minutes out tonight, so that may give us something to trade on, but I wouldn't hold your breath though. That's it from me. Cheerio.
If you do not have a clue, then just tweet through and ask FxPlew.